And then after all those readings, I've just got 2 cards left. So let's see what these 2 cards are. The Five of Cups, looking at something with real not happy. You're not happy. You're seeing those 3 cups have fallen over. The wine has spilt. You are really disappointed with that. But you're not seeing the 2 cups that are right behind you. And then the Emperor card, the card of, I feel there's a lot of stability. There is, you can see he's got his armor under his clothes, so he's ready at any moment to move forward. If they call and say there's war, there's somebody that's chasing you, he is ready. He is ready at a moment's notice. So for me, I feel there is definitely being disappointed in what you don't want, but being ready to move forward with what you do want. Really knowing and assessing what no longer serves you. I mean, he's not even turning around and seeing what he still has, but looking at what he doesn't want and how we can move forward from this situation. And I also feel it could be emotionally being stable, looking back, seeing what you have, consolidating, and being strong and being ready for the next chapter and what is next in your life.